taxi to the airport. Good morning. Where are you going today?
Hi, I'm going to JFK Airport, please.
Sure. Which terminal?
Terminal 4. I'm flying to Miami today.
Nice. Are you excited?
Yes, but I'm also stressed. I'm running late.
Don't worry. We'll get there as fast as we can.
Thanks. My flight leaves at 11:30.
You still have some time. Did you check in online?
Yes, I did that last night.
Good. That saves time at the airport.
I had a terrible morning.
Oh no. What happened?
My alarm didn't ring and I couldn't find my passport.
Really? Where was it?
In my jacket pocket.
That happens all the time.
I was so stressed.
Well, today is your lucky day. Traffic isn't too bad.
That's good.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm visiting my sister in Miami.
Very nice. Is it your first time flying alone?
Yes, and I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Airports are easy once you get inside.
I hope so.
All right, we're here.
Perfect. How much is it?
It's $58.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Checking in at the airport. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Okay. Please put your suitcase on the scale.
All right.
Perfect. Your bag is not overweight.
Great.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your flight boards at 10:45 at gate 22.
Okay.
Boarding starts 45 minutes before departure.
Got it.
Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
Just my laptop and some small toiletries.
That's fine. You'll need to take the laptop out at security.
Okay. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. Security is straight ahead on the left.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Have a nice flight.
Thanks.
Security check at the airport. Next, please.
Hi.
Please put your backpack and phone in the tray.
Okay, do I need to take off my jacket too?
Yes, please. And your shoes and watch as well.
Oh, right. Sorry.
No problem. Do you have a laptop in your bag?
Yes, I do.
Please take it out and put it in a separate tray.
All right.
Perfect. Now walk through the scanner slowly.
Okay.
Ma'am, please step back for a moment.
Oh no, did I do something wrong?
Do you still have something in your pocket?
Wait, yes, my bracelet. I forgot about it.
Please put it in the tray and try again.
Sorry, I'm really nervous.
That's okay. Just walk through one more time.
Okay, sorry about that.
All right, you're good now.
Great, thank you.
Excuse me, is this your backpack?
Yes, that's mine.
We need to check your bag.
Really? Why?
There's a liquid inside.
Oh no, I think I know what it is.
Can you open the bag, please?
Yes, of course.
This orange juice is too large to take on the plane.
I completely forgot it was there.
Unfortunately, you can't bring it through security.
So I have to throw it away?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay, that's my fault.
Don't worry. A lot of people forget about drinks in their bags.
I'm having a very stressful morning.
I understand, but everything else looks fine.
That's good.
Here's your backpack. You're all set now.
Thank you so much. Buying coffee and a sandwich at the airport.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like sugar with that?
Yes, 2 sugars, please.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a chicken sandwich?
Of course. Do you want cheese on it?
Yes, please.
Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
All right. Anything else today?
No, that's all.
Your total is $14.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where do I pick up the order?
Right over there at the counter.
Okay, thanks.
Medium latte and chicken sandwich.
That's mine.
Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Thanks. Confusion about the seats. Excuse me, I think you're sitting in my seat.
Really? I don't think so.
I have seat 18A. That's the window seat.
I also have seat 18A.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Sure. Here you go.
Oh, wait. This says 18C.
What? Let me see.
18C is the aisle seat.
Oh, wow. You're right. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
I think I looked at the wrong letter.
It happens.
Would you like to switch seats?
I'd really prefer the window seat.
All right, no problem.
Thanks for understanding.
Sorry again about the confusion.
Don't worry about it.
This is actually my first flight, so I'm a little nervous.
Really? Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thanks. I already feel stressed.
Trust me, everybody feels like that sometimes.
That actually makes me feel better. Thanks.
You're welcome. Talking to the flight attendant. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I think my headphones don't work.
Really? What's the problem?
I can only hear sound in one ear.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. Could I maybe get new ones?
Of course. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Here you go. Try these.
Okay. Yes, these work much better.
Great.
Also, could I get some water, please?
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
No problem. Would you like something to eat as well?
Yes. Do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a chicken salad and a Caesar salad.
I'll take the chicken salad, please.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Sorry, one more question. Of course. What time do we land in Miami?
Around 3:45 p.m.
Perfect. Thanks.
Enjoy your flight.
Missing suitcase at the airport. Excuse me, I think my suitcase is missing.
I'm sorry to hear that. What does your suitcase look like?
It's a large black suitcase with a blue tag.
Okay. Can I see your baggage claim ticket, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. One moment while I check the system.
Okay.
All right, I see the problem.
What happened?
Your suitcase was put on a different flight by mistake.
Oh no, really?
I'm very sorry about that.
So where is it now?
It's arriving on the next flight in about 2 hours.
2 hours? Oh, wow.
You can wait here for it, or we can deliver it to you later.
Actually, I'm in a hurry.
No problem. We can send it to your hotel or home address.
Could you send it to my sister's house instead?
Of course.
Great, thank you.
Can you give me the address, please?
Yes, it's 245 Palm Street, Miami.
Perfect. And do you have a phone number?
Yes, it's 305-555-2187.
All right. Your suitcase should arrive this evening.
Okay, that's fine.
Again, we're very sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. These things happen.
Thank you for understanding.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.